day to you and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you understanding the marketing funnel. As you have seen from the beginning of this video, while I am explaining the process to follow in order for you to make money online. Once you have gotten your something of value, you've learned the strategy of selling that thing, and then you've also learned those tools that are required of you to support your strategy. The last part of it, which you are also going to continuously do every day, is this marketing funnel known as the lead generation, the nurturing, and then the converting. Please kindly take note of something. You remember, I will never show every of my students what I don't do. What is working for me, I believe if you learn it as well and you do exactly what I did, you will continuously make money online on this online space. When I tell people that you will continuously make money, they feel like, oh, what is this guy saying as continuously make money online? Let me show you my process. You remember I told you that when I finished my NYSC, I got a job. And I told you something in my previous video that immediately I realized that I have learned everything completely. I did what? I resigned completely from where I am working, and then I focused on my online journey and my online growth. You see, the first one is to have something of value, which I have had. The second one is to learn all the strategies, which I have also learned, the copywriting skill, the social media content marketing skill, and the closing skill. I've also learned it, and I knew it perfectly. After that time, I knew how to use all those tools that I've explained for you in this particular video. And then I already understood the marketing funnel. Guess what happened afterwards? I continue to make money every single day on this online space. To let you know that everything I am going to be showing you here is real, or I'm not just telling you with my mouth. Let me show you something. I resigned from my working place in January 31st this year, 2025. As you can see from my list, I already have financial record for African Prince RX Academy for the month of January. And this was the reason why I resigned, because I have learned everything needed for me to learn, and I have started implementing them. So I now check, look at January, from January 1 to January 5, you can see the amount I've actually made on this online. I just summarized everything together. People that paid me on this online space, and look at it continuously. This is January 6. You can see the amounts that enter in January 6, 6,000 plus 90 in just one day. Oh, in just one day. If you are also earning something like this, will you still continue to work under somebody? Look at this on the January. Did you see 9,000 naira? On January 8, did you see the amount? January 9, did you see the amount? January 10, did you see the amount? January 11, did you see that? And that is how it will continuously come for you if you have learned the required thing that you are supposed to learn. And this is for January. Look at it till the end of January. That is why I continue to receive it. So let's quickly move to February. Let's just stop here. This is January 21. Just continue to see that now. So when we move to February, look at what happened in February. So February 1 only, look at the amount. Look at the way it was coming in. Did you see that now? This is from advert. It is from lead generation, nurturing, and converting that I am about to explain to you now. How I did everything, believe me, I'm going to be showing you everything step by step, because my goal for all African youth that are ready to learn and implement is for them to learn the right thing so that they too can begin making money online for themselves. Think about it. Even if you are making ordinary 10,000 naira per day, times 1 month, you should know how much that should amount to in your account by the end of the month. So look at it. This is just on the 1, this is on the 2, this is on the 3. As you can see that now, this is on the 4. Did you see that now? This is on the 5, and that is how it will continue to go till the end of time. Did you see that now? Every single day, the money will keep coming for you. On March, this is March. You can see the amount of March. That's how I keep my record every day. So immediately I finished my January and I calculated the amount that entered. What did I do? I resigned from where I was working. That no, I will never work for anybody again. Truth about it is that, you see, if you are still working for somebody presently, please take your time and still be working with them, be getting money and be reinvesting the money into learning. If you have not acquired the necessary things that you are supposed to acquire online, please do not resign. Make sure you get to the level of acquiring everything needed, and you have seen that substantial amount is entering that you can actually use to manage yourself. Then you can easily resign. Believe me, you will never regret it, because the more time you have to put into your online business, the more money you continue to make for yourself. And you can see this is March. So this is April. Let's move to April. So just to let you know that everything that I am showing you is completely real. If you learn the right thing, you learn the right strategy, you know how to use the right tools, and you understand the marketing funnel, which is the lead generation, you know how to do your nurturing, and you know how to do your conversion. And the truth about it is that when you understand the social media content marketing, you'll be able to do your lead generation right. When you understand your copywriting skill, you'll be able to nurture very well. And then when you understand your closing skill, believe me, you'll be able to convert a lot of people, just like the way I have converted a lot of people. This is May. Let's go to May. Look at the amount that enter in May. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you can see on the 2, you can see on the 3, you can see on the 4, on the 5, you can see, and that is how you will also continuously make money if you are selling a product, whether you are selling your knowledge or you want to sell your skill or you want to sell anything sellable. Just make sure your creativity is very important in selling anything online. Please, your creativity is very important. And I tell people you have to start step by step so that you can get to where you are going. You don't start very huge or very big. When you start very big, you get stuck. When you start very big, you get do you understand? You have to start from scratch and continue to grow. And how are you going to be going through everything? Believe me, before the end of the training and before the end of our seminar, I'm going to be explaining everything for you step by step. So this is May. So this is June. This is July. So this is August, this is September, and this is October that we are presently, because I'm currently making this video in October. I don't know when you are going to be watching this video anyways, but that is how the money will continue to go. If you learn everything that I've explained for you from the first video to the very last video that I'm doing now, this is how you are also going to be receiving your money every single day on this online space. So far, you have learned the required thing and you are serious with what you have learned and you are implementing what you have learned. Believe me, you will continuously make money on this online space. And this is how it is going to continue for you as well, as you can see from my screen. So that is that about that. Let's quickly talk about the marketing funnel. Let me explain it for you for better understanding. When we talk about marketing funnel, this is where we talk about the lead generation, nurturing, and converting. A lot of business owners or a lot of people that want to make money online, they quickly rush to this marketing funnel because they thought that is the next thing for them to do after they have something of value. They omitted learning the strategy, they omitted learning the tools, and they got to this place. Some of them may make little money and they will stop making money forever. Why some of them may not even make any money, they will only waste money on this particular stage. A lot of affiliate marketers, they got affiliate marketing course, and what did they do after that time? They started running ads. At some point, they made some money, but presently they are not making any money again because of what? They've omitted some necessary things for them to do. Some people are selling products, some people are into any business online. They just continue to run ads without understanding all the things they need to do. Believe me, you will just waste money when you get to this level. Whereas this level is what is going to continuously make you the money if you have learned the needful. If you have done the needful, if you have took your time to learn accordingly, you will continuously make the money on this online space. So you can see now, this particular lead generation, you can actually do it in two ways. We have the organic way and we have the paid way. So when we talk about the organic way, with your normal copywriting skill, you will be able to draft a copy and then you can easily drive the organic way through your WhatsApp link or you drive them through your form. For example, let me show you how I usually drive my own online traffic organically. Let me show you something. As you can see, this is the Google form that I actually use to drive my own organic lead. How did I use to do this? I usually write just short copy using the AIDA model of copywriting skill. Sometimes I use the PAS formula of copywriting skill to draft my copy. When I draft my copy, I share it to some of my friends, and after sharing with them, they continue to also share it with some of their friends, and that is how it continues to go. And you can see a lot of people are going to feel it, and you can easily get a lot of people to your funnel. So you can see, I have students across African countries. As you can see here. So this is it when I was running organic lead. How did I do this particular form? I'm going to be teaching you everything in the monetization pathway, how you can set up precisely if you have learned everything that you are supposed to learn. I don't jump process. There is something about me, and my students know me for this. I don't jump process, and I don't like people that want to jump process. I like people that follow things accordingly, and that was why the monetization pathway, I'm going to be showing you everything step by step, irrespective of any particular thing that you want to sell online. Just let me know that this is the thing that you have, and then let's follow the process. You get to this stage. So this is organic lead. How do you do? There are a lot of strategies that I've not even reviewed here at all on how I got everything that I did here. I'm going to be showing only my students in the monetization pathway training how to actually do that. As you can see, when I view it in the sheet, the reason why I said you should know how to use this form, this particular form, this is how it looks like. People are going to be saying, I'm sure you would have filled something like this before online. This is how it's going to look like. Did you see? Oh yeah, you can actually create something like this to also generate your lead organically. I'm going to be teaching my students anyways. So now, look at it. After you are done creating it, people will click, and when they click, they will come here. So once they come here, you can easily track everybody from here. And this is from here now. You are going to get all their emails, and then you send them a mail. That is how to do it. And then their number, you also save their number on your WhatsApp. By so doing, your WhatsApp views is going to keep increasing because you are generating lead every single day. This is just for the organic lead though. When we talk about organic lead are lead that we usually generate without paying any money. We just share this thing and the thing continues to go. When people come, you tell them to share. They will definitely share if what you are going to be using as your lead magnet is something that they definitely want. And how can you know that they definitely want it? Because you have learned copywriting skill, you would have understand who your target audience is, and you know what your target audience wants. You can usually use that to attract them. When you attract them, none of your target audience will definitely reject. All of them will want to get that in. And the more they get that in, the more you get their contact, the more you get their information to yourself. yourself, and the more you continue to generate lead. You can continue to generate organic lead till the end of time. So that is for organic. Let me show you how I usually generate the second type of lead generation, which is the paid lead. This is where you use Facebook and Instagram advert. Let me show you something. So this is my Facebook page now. This is my Facebook page. I usually run Facebook advert and Instagram advert as well. I started this advert with and I'll be sincere with you, I started my advert online with just 2,000 naira. And part of the people that clicked on my ad, they paid me times, let's say times 10 of the 2,000 naira. Then I reinvested another 2,000 naira into ad. Another person paid me times 10 and I reinvested again 2,000 naira. I don't usually spend more than at least 5,000 naira in a day, and I get lots of leads on Facebook and Instagram. Look at this, my ad. This was the first ad I created, and I tagged the ad Everlasting Ad.
Are you aware that most people do not know that everything you see here on Google is...
How was I able to create something like this? Because I've learned all the tools that I have actually showed you earlier in this particular training or in this particular seminar. I've been able to know how to use everything. How was I able to create my structure for the video? I used the AIDA model of copywriting skill to create that content, so that when people are looking at it, they are going to have the attention. They are going to, I got their attention, I got their interest, I got their desire, and I got them to do call to action. The call to action for this particular video, let me show you, so that I can understand everything on this online space. Look at the call to action.
Again for life. Or type you are ready in the comment section to get started now.
And a lot of people, what did they do? You can see the comment section. 924 people commented on this particular advert. This is to let you know that, you see, on this online space, you need the required skills, you need the required knowledge, the required strategy for you to achieve it. And you can see the like. You can see a lot of people that this advert has actually reached. I have students in Ghana, in Liberia, in Sierra Leone, in Senegal, in a lot of African countries that have joined my training, because that is that about that. So let me show you another.